Guys, it's Vanessa, Nestor1981. I just thought I would make a quick video on how I tag and organize my photos in ACDSee. I know I've shared how I do that before with just my scrapbook stuff, but I noticed there have been a lot of questions lately in the forums about how people tag their or organize their photos that they need to scrap, and I feel like that's one of the strengths that I have. So I just thought I'd share something that maybe will help you guys get through that stack of pictures you need to get organized so you can get to scrapbooking. So here on the right, you can see this is ACDSee 19, so this program is several years old. I'm probably due for an upgrade. You can see all of my categories, and up here I have my photos to scrap. So I like to organize by year, month, and then event. So I really haven't decided how I'm going to do this year with all of the COVID-19 stuff going on. Typically, I do not do Pocket Life or Project Life. I do a monthly recap. So you can see here I have under Coloring Eggs, under my April 2020 folder, I have Coloring Eggs tagged, and then I just have all of my pictures for Coloring Easter Eggs tagged. So you can see here in May, I have a few things already worked out. My daughter's birthday, Kira, has not come yet, but I know I'm going to have that, so I've got a category ready for that. Up here in 2019, I have a lot more categories, as you can see, because I'm a little behind on my scrapbooking. But one of the things that really helps me when I start to scrapbook is I like to tag my pictures, and then if I have a kit ready for those, I like to tag the kit to go with it. So for example, here is June of 2019, and then I have Harper's field trip. So I've got all of his field trip pictures, and then I have the kit that I want to use tagged in that folder. So if you don't want to scrapbook chronologically, like some people I know don't like to do that, and I like all my pages to match, so I like to do 2 matching pages. Even if they're a different event, I always use the same kit for pages that face. I would say I scrapbooked one set of the 2-page layout that I want to do for here because a new template came out that I wanted to use right away, or I wanted to use that kit right away, but I didn't get to the other half. Well, maybe it's a year before I get back to those. Well, if I've tagged the kit, then I won't forget where it goes. Or, like if I get a chance to work ahead a little bit, I've started trying to put my pictures into the templates, and then I'll go back and scrapbook a bunch at one time. So you can see here, I've got February 2019 Air at Church, and I've got the 2 late pages ready to go. I've got the photos into the templates, and I've got the kit, so when I get a chance, I'll go in and scrapbook those. So that just gives you an idea, and we can go and look. So you see, so if I clicked on these are just tagged, and then they'll pull right into Photoshop too. If you've never used it, you just pull it down and drop it into Photoshop like that. But I can click on Go to File, and that's going to take me to my April 2020 folder. And then I can go in here and look around and see if there's anything else I need to tag. And you just simply pull it, like there's the cat. This is 2019, but if I wanted to tag this 2020 picture into a sugar category, that's her name, I would just drag it there. And then, see, she's a kitten, but there she is a big kitty. So you can see that. And that's how it works. So hopefully that gave you guys a little inspiration and a little bit of an idea of how I organize and tag my scrapbook stuff. And hopefully it helps you out. All right, you guys have a good day.